Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Learn with Shannu.
In this video, I am going to discuss about divisions and multiplication tricks. So coming to divisions, it is divided into two categories. One is the numbers that are exactly divisible and another one is the numbers that are not exactly divisible. Okay, so the non-exactly divisible numbers gives you the answers in the form of decimal numbers 0.12, 0.37. So in this way you will get the answers. Okay, so first we will discuss about the exactly divisible numbers and next we will discuss about the non-exactly divisible numbers. So for exactly divisible numbers you just need to know only 1 to 10 tables. Okay, so if you know 1 to 10 tables you can answer the exactly divisible numbers of any huge numbers also. Okay, if they are given any big numbers to divide you can simply solve that numbers using the trick I said. Okay, if you are following any other tricks you just follow those tricks, and once watch this trick also. If it's useful to you you just follow this trick, otherwise you just skip it. Okay, and if you already knew about these tricks it's well and good. Okay, so here they have given 324 by 36. So 36 table you don't know, no. Most of the students what they will do is they'll cancel out with 2 table, 3 table, 4 table. So let us see the general method also how most of the students will do. See, most of the students what they will do is it is divisible by 2 table and 3 table also. Okay, so they will simply cancel out 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and next 3 ones are, and next 3 eights are 24. So this is how they will cancel out, and next again 12 nines are 108. Okay, so this is one of the method you can follow in the examination, but you should be very fast. Okay, your calculation speed should be very fast. So now what we are going to do is, instead of doing this trick, so instead of doing this trick, I will say you one trick. See here, they have given 324 by 36, right? So what you will do is you just multiply 36 with 10. Okay, the denominator you just multiply with 10, you will get the answer 360. Okay, so the numerator number is 324, right? If you compare 324 and 360, 324 is smaller number. Okay, so smaller number in the sense the multiple should be, that means your answer should be below 10, that means below the range of multiple 10. The answer may be into 7, into 8, into 9, into 6. So your answer will be in this range. So now what you will do is you just target the unit digit. Here for 36 the unit digit is 6, right? And next here for the number 324 the unit digit is 4. Okay, so what we are going to do is you just multiply 6 with which number, you will get the unit digit 4. Okay, so you just note it down. 6 fours are 24 you will get, that means unit digit 4 you will get, and 6 nines are 54 you will get. Okay, that means for multiple of 9 you will get unit digit 4, for multiple of 4 you will get unit digit 4. Okay, so your answer will be into 4 or into 9. Okay, so your answer will be into 4 or into 9. Then how you will decide between into 4 or into 9? See here, if you compare 324 and 360, this is little bit nearer numbers, no? 324 and 360 is very nearer numbers, so your answer will be nearer to multiple of 10. See here how you got 360. If you multiply with 10 you got 360, so your answer should be nearer to the multiple of 10. So what is the number nearer to multiple of 10? 9 is there. Okay, so if you multiply 36 with 9 you will get the answer 324. Okay, so your answer is 9. In this way you can find out the exactly divisible numbers. Okay, if you practice more on this trick you can easily solve it in mind calculation. Without pen and paper you can just simply solve the numbers, you can simply solve the divisions. Okay, So next we will see this numbers and this numbers also, then you will get still more clarity. See here they have given 392 by 56. So first what I have said, you just multiply 56 with 10, you will get the answer 560. Okay, see if you multiply 56 with 1 you will get 56, and if you multiply 56 with 2 what you will get, 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10 and 11, 112 you will get. That means if you add 0 here you will get 0 here, if you add 0 here you will get 0 here. Okay, so the number is in the range of 392. Okay, so if you multiply 2, if you take into 20 you will get 1120 with which is very big number. Okay, so you just take the number 10. Okay, so first you can check like this, 56 into 1 you check, you will get 56. Okay, 56 into 2 you check, 112. Okay, so here if you add 0 it will become 560, and you just check with the numerator number. Okay, so like this you can check the numbers which are nearer. Okay, here you got 560, if you multiply with 10 you got 560, and you just compare it with the numerator 392. So anyway 560 is greater than 392, so your answer will be below the multiple of 10. Okay, so next step what we should do, we should target the unit digit. This 2 you should target. If you multiply 6 with which number you will get unit digit 2, you just check it. So if you multiply with 2, 6 2s are 12, and again if you multiply with 7, 6 7s are 42 you will get. So your answer will be either into 2 or into 7. Okay, so now how you will decide what I have said for this, how you will decide. See, if you compare 560 and 392, these two numbers are also little bit nearer numbers, right? So your answer should be nearer to multiple of 10. So here the numbers which are nearer to multiple of 10, 7 is nearer to the multiple of 10. Okay, so your answer will be 7 here. If you multiply 56 with 7 you will get the answer 392. Okay, so this is how you can decide. And next we will discuss some more examples. See here the numbers are very big numbers, right? So even though the numbers are very big you just apply the same trick. See here what you will do is, here the numbers they have given 1512 by 84. So if you take into 10 you will get 840. Here the number is 1512, so which is greater than 840. So your answer should be greater than the multiple of 10. Okay, so next what you will do, if you multiply 84 with 20, here what you will get, 2 4s are 8, so 2 8s are 16, 1680 you will get. And here if you compare 1680 and 1512, it is bigger number, right? So 1680 is greater than 1512, that means your answer should be below the multiple of 20 and above the multiple of 10. Okay, so your answer should be between into 11 and into 19. Okay, so your answer should be in this range. Now how you will decide? So the same trick you follow. Here the unit digit is 4, here the unit digit is 2. So if you multiply 4 with which number, you will get the unit digit 2. You just check it. So for 3s are 12 you will get, and again for 8s are 32 you will get. So between into 3 and into 8, how you will decide the answer? So you just compare 1512 and 1680. Okay, so here into 20 is nothing but 1680, no? So you just compare these two numbers. if you compare these two numbers, 1512 is little bit nearer to 1680. That means your answer should be multiple of 18 or 13 here. Okay, so here I have said 3 no. So your answer should be 18 or 13 because we are calculating above the multiple of 10. Okay, so we are calculating above the multiple of 10 and below the multiple of 20. That means your answer should be either 13 or 18. So here if you see, if you multiply with 20, you are getting 1680, and the answer 1512 is nearer to 1680. That means here you have the chance of into 13 or into 18. So you just decide which number is nearer to 20. So here 18 is nearer to 20. That means your answer will be 18 here. Okay. So I think you understood how I have got the 18 answer. Okay. So this trick is very easy, right? If you practice more questions, this trick is very easy. You can easily sort out the division numbers, exactly divisible numbers. Okay, so for non-exactly divisible numbers, the case is very different. See here, the number they have given is 1125 by 75. Okay, so here what they have given, 5 they have given, and here the unit digit is 5. See, in which table the unit digit 5 will come? Here in the odd multiples, you will get the unit digit 5. See here, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay, so if you multiply with odd numbers, you will get the unit digit 5. So you can simply eliminate the even digit numbers. Okay, so let us come to our trick. Our trick is nothing but, if you first you have to multiply with 10. So you will get 750, and here 1125 they have given in the numerator, which is very big number. Okay, so now how you will decide? So your answer should be between the range of multiple of 10 or multiple of 20. Okay, so above the multiple of 10, below the multiple of 20, because if you take 20 here, the number will be very big than 1125. Okay, so your answer should be below the multiple of 20 and above the multiple of 10. That means your answer may be into 11. So into 11 is not possible because 1125 is a little bit greater than into 11s. See here, if you add 75 here, your answer will be in the range of 815 or 825, something will come. So into 11 will not be your answer. So you can simply cancel out this, and next your answer may be into 13, into 15, into 17. Okay, so your answer will be in this range only. Okay, again if you take into 19, it will be far away. I think into 17 also it will be far away. Okay, so your answer may be into 13 or into 15. So you just check it whether the multiple of into 13 or into 17 you check. So if you check any one number, you will get the answer. You need not check both the numbers. If you check even one number, you will get the answer. Okay, so the answer will be into 15. Okay, if you multiply 75 with 15, you will get the answer 1125. Okay, so this is how you can check the bigger numbers, and if the divisions are given in 5 digits, that means multiples of 5. Okay, and next we will see 546 by 26, how we can solve this number. So see here, the number they have given is 546 by 26. So the first step we have to do is, you have to multiply 26 with 10. You will get the answer 260. And next here you have to compare 260 and 546. So 546 is bigger number. So you just multiply with 20 here. You just check it with 20. If you check with 20, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Here you are getting 520. Okay, so 520. If you multiply with 20, you are getting the answer 520. See again, it is bigger number. 546 is bigger number if you compare 520. That means your answer should be in the range of into 20 and into 30. Okay, because here if you multiply with 20 you are getting 520. That means your answer is greater than multiple of 20. Okay, and it is less than the multiple of 30 here. Okay, so we have got the conclusion that answer will be in the range of into 20 or into 30. Next what you will do is you just target the unit digits here. 6 1 0 6 you will get, and next 6 6 0 36 you will get. That means your answer should be either 21 or 26. Okay, so now how you will decide between 21 and 26? You just compare these numbers. That means here 520 and 546 you compare. 520 and 546 if you compare, it is very nearer number, right? 520 and 546 is very nearer number. The difference is just 26 numbers. That means if you multiply with another one digit, okay, if you take the another multiple you will get the answer. That means your answer will be 21. Okay, so if you multiply with 21 you will get 546. So the final answer is 21. If you multiply 26 with 21 you will get the answer 546. Okay, so this is how you have to check the bigger numbers. And next we will see still more bigger numbers. See here the numbers are very huge numbers. Okay, so even though the numbers are very huge, you don't worry about the numbers. You just follow the same trick and it is applicable to all the exactly divisible numbers. Okay, see here the numerator number they have given 947544. If you divide this number, see here the number they have given 9,47,544. And if you see the denominator number, the number they have given is 78962. So you just divide this number in thousands and lakhs. So here you will get 78,962. Here they have given 9,47,544. So in order to convert the denominator number into lakhs, if you multiply with 10 will become 7,89,620. Okay, 7,89,620 it will become. So now if you compare 7,89,620 and 9,47,544, if you compare these numbers, it is very nearer number, right? Okay, so your answer should be between the multiple of 10 and below the multiple of 20. Okay, so because these numbers are very nearer, 7 lakhs and 9 lakhs is very nearer. So our next target is you have to check the unit digits. If you multiply 2 with which number, you will get the answer 4. You have to check. So if you multiply with 2 you will get the answer 4, and if you multiply with 7 you will get the unit digit 4. That so your answer should be either into 12 or into 17. See, if you multiply with into 17 here, if you multiply with into 17, the answer will be very far away from 9,47,544. Then definitely your answer should be into 12. Okay, the answer is 12 here. Got it? So this is how you can do even though the numbers are very big. Okay, so we will next see this sum also. You will get still more clarity on the bigger numbers. See here the numbers they have given is 353878. If you divide these numbers into thousands and lakhs, it will come 3,53,878, and the denominator number is 25277. And this is also, you just separate the thousands and lakhs. here you will get 25,277. So in order to make the denominator into lakhs, you just multiply with 10. You will get the answer 2,52,770. Okay. So if you compare 3,53,878 and 2,52,770, this is very nearer number, right? So your answer will be between into 10 and into 20. Okay. And next our target is unit digits 7 and 8. So if you multiply with 7, the unit digit should come 8. So for which number, if you multiply with 7, the unit digit 8 will come, you have to check. So 7 fours are 28. And next, if you see with no other number, the unit digit 8 will come. Okay, only with 4, if you multiply with 7, the unit digit 8 will come. So definitely your answer should be multiple of 4. That means your answer should be 14, definitely. Okay. So here the answer is 14. Okay, this is how you can find even though the numbers are very big. So this is all about the exactly divisible numbers. Okay, so I think now you can solve the exactly divisible numbers without pen and paper. Okay, next we will see the non-exactly divisible sums. I will tell you the tricks. This is also very easy. See, for non-exactly divisible numbers, how you will do is, here they have given 12 by 92. Okay, so here 92 is nearer to 100, right? So if you add 8 here, you will get the base 100. Okay, so next if you add here plus 8, next here also you should add some number, no? So this number, how you will know? See here 12 by 92, here 92 is there. So here if you multiply 12 with which number, you will get the nearer number 92. See here, if you multiply with 8, 12 8s are 96. So 96 is bigger number. Okay, so now you will take 12 into 7, 12 sevens are 84. So 84 is smaller number than 92. Okay, and here 12 sevens are 84 you will get. Okay, so here you will write 1 by 7. Okay, so 1 by 7 ratio, you will get nearer to the number 92. And next what you will do is, here 7 parts is equals to 8. Okay, here 7 parts is equals to 8. That means 7, how many times exactly 8 will come? That means nearer to 8 will come into 1. 7 1s are 7, which is nearer to 8. Okay, so here into 1 you write 7 1s are 7. Here also you should write into 1. Okay, here also you should multiply with 1, you will get the answer 1. Okay, so here the number you have to add is 1. 12 plus 1 by 92 plus 8, 13 by 100. So you know how to divide 13 by 100. The answer will be 0.13. So if you check in the calculator, 12 by 92 will give you the answer 0.13. Okay, and next we will do this sum also. You will get still more clarity on this trick. See here, the numbers they have given is 224 by 580. So here you should make the nearest number. Okay, you should make it as a nearest number. If you multiply with 20, you will get the answer 600. Okay, so for base 600 you have to divide. So here which number you have to add for 224? How you will decide which number to add? So I have said already, 224 into 2 you take. That means 4 2s are 8, 4 4 8. Okay, so if you multiply with 2, you will get the answer 448. And again if you multiply with 3, you will get the answer 672 here. Okay, so 672 is bigger number than 580. That means your answer should be between into 2 and into 3. Okay, now you just take 2.5, you will get nearer to the number 580. Okay. So how you will do? 224 twos are how much? 448. So you just simply half the number 224. If you half the number, you will get 112, and you just add 448 and 112. Okay, so you will get 560, which is nearer to 580. That means here 224 into 2.5 will be the answer, will give you the answer 560, which is nearer to 580. Okay, so this is how you have to take the ratios here. So in other case, if you multiply with the 2.5 also, it is bigger. That means here the number is 580, right? If you multiply with the 2.5, if you got 600 in this range, then you take 2.25. Okay, so if you take like that, you will get the answer nearer to 580. So here for 1 by 25, you should not directly take the ratio 2.5 parts is equal to 20. You should not take like that. Okay, so now here it's in the decimal form, you just convert it into the normal form. That means into 10 by 10 you take. Okay, 1 by 2.5 into 10 by 10, then 2 by 10 by 25, then you will get 10 by 25. You just simply cut this number with 5. 5 twos are 5 fives are. Here the ratio will be 2 by 5. Okay, so for 2 by 5 parts, you will getting 20 here. Okay, so if you multiply with 4, you will get 20. So here also you just multiply with 4, you will get the answer 8. So this 8 you just add here. Okay, 24 plus 8 by 600. That means 224 plus 8 will give you the answer 232. 232 by 600. Now you just simply cancel out with 6. 600 you can write it as 6 into 100, and next in the numerator 232. You just simply cancel out with the 6 table. So 6 threes are 18 and 5 will be remaining. So you should check the 52, nearer to 52. So 6 eights are 48. Okay, so 52 and 48 is nearer number, no? So you just write 8 here. So here 38 by 100, that is nothing but 0.38. Okay, if you type in the calculator, the same answer will come. Okay, so if you don't understand this trick, once you just rewind and watch it again. Okay, see the next sum they have given is 59 by 75. If you add 25 here, you will get the answer 100. Okay, so here which number you should add? See here, 59 and 75 are very nearer numbers, right? 59 ones are 59. If you take 59 twos are, it will be greater than 75. So first you just halve this 59. So now what you'll do is you just take 59 into 1.5. If the answer is greater than 75, then you just take 59 into 1.25. Okay, so you just check these two numbers. So if you have 59, you will get 2 twos are 4 and 2 nines are 18.5. So 29.5 you will get. So if you add 59 and 29, you will get the answer 788. So see here, the 75 and 88 is very big number, right? 88 is bigger number. If you take 1.5 also, it is getting bigger number. So you just take 1 by 4th of 59. Okay, 59 by 4 you take. So for 1s are 4, for 2s are 8. Okay, so this is enough. And the decimal points you need not take, the nearer numbers you take. Okay, so 59 plus 12, 11, 6, 71. So 71 is nearer to 75. Okay, so here I am explaining, so that's what it takes time, but if you practice more you can solve it in no time. Okay, so you just need to know whether the nearest number will come if you multiply with 1.25, 1.5, 2, 2.5 or 3. So maximum cases you will get in this range only. Okay, so the maximum ratios will come in this range only. If you check in this range, you will get the answer. Okay, so you need not go for 3.54. So in that range they don't give the divisions. So in this range you can find out the non-exactly divisible ratios. Okay, see here, now you should take 1 by 1.25. Okay, so next step what we should do, we should not directly take the decimal points. So in order to eliminate this decimal points, here point after 2 digits is there. So you just multiply with 100. You will get here 25 fours are and 25 fives are. So 4 by 5 ratio you will get. Okay, I will write clearly here. Okay, so this is how you will get the ratio 4 by 5. 1 by 1.25 you will get this ratio 4 by 5. So now 5 parts is equal to 25. 5 parts is equal to 25 means into 5. Okay, so if you multiply with 5 you will get 25. So likewise you have to multiply 4 into 5, you will get the answer 20. If you multiply with 5 here also you will get the answer 20. Okay, so 59 plus 20, that means 79. Okay, and here you got the base 100. So now 0.79. So this is your answer. If you check in the calculator, your answer will be 0.78. So 0.78 and 0.79 is very minute differences there. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the non-exactly divisible numbers. See, if you don't understand this trick, you just rewind the video and watch it again. Okay, and next coming to multiplication tricks. So multiplications, mostly they will ask you 2-digit multiplication and 3-digit multiplication will be there. So first we will see the 2-digit multiplication. See here, the numbers they have given is 83 into 57. There are two methods to solve this 2-digit multiplication. Okay, the first method is you just multiply 83 into 50 because here 5 is in the tens place. Okay, unit place is 10, so you just multiply with 50, and next you just multiply 83 with 7. So simply you keep 0 here. 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40 and 41, and next 83 into 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 8s are 56, and next plus 2, 56 plus 2, 58. Okay, so you just simply add 4150 and 581, you will get the answer 4731. Okay, so this is also one method to, but your calculation speed should be very quick. Okay, so besides this method there is another method, so we will see this method also. See here, the numbers they have given is 83 into 57. First what you will do is you just multiply the unit digits first. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so here you got unit digit 1, you just keep this 1 aside. Here you write 1, and next 2 is carried out to the next step. See here, the next step is you just simply multiply the first and last digit and the middle digits. Okay, you just multiply and next you add these answers. That means 8 into 7 plus 3 into 5 plus the 2 is carried out, right? Number 2 is carried out. Just write 2 here. Here I will write still more clearly. 8 into 7 plus 3 into 5 plus 2. So 7 8s are 56 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 2. Okay. So you just add these numbers. 56, 15 plus 2, 17, and next 12, 13. So 73 will come. Okay. So you just keep the unit digit 3 aside. Okay, you just write here unit digit 3 and next 7 is carried to the next step. So this is first step, this is second step, and third one is the final step. So the final step is nothing but you just multiply the first digits of the numbers 8 and 5. Okay, 8 and 5 plus the carried out number 7. 5 8s are 40 plus 7, 47. You just write the 47 here. Okay, so you will get the answer 4731. See, this trick is applicable to any two digit multiplication number. Here they have given 64 into 28. See, the first step is you have to multiply the unit digits 8 into 4. 4 8s are 32. And next step what you should do is the first and last digit you should multiply and the middle numbers you should multiply, and you should add these numbers. See here, 6 8s are 48 plus 4 into 2 plus here the carried out number 3 you should add here also. Okay, the carried out number 3 you should add here, and you just keep this unit digit 2 aside right here. So 6 8s are 48 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 48 plus 8, 56. 56 plus 3, 59. Okay, so 9 you keep it aside, unit digit 9 you write here, and next 5 is carried out to the next step. So the next step is you should multiply the first digits 6 and 2. Okay, 6 and 2 plus 5. Okay, so 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17. So write this 17 here, 1792. Okay, so next we will see this sum. The numbers they have given is 79 into 34. Here the first step we should do is we have to multiply the unit digits 9 into 4. Okay, 4 9s are 36. And second step what is we have to multiply first and last digit and the middle numbers we have to multiply, and we should add these numbers. Okay, so 7 into 4 plus 9 into 3 plus the carried out number 3 here you just write it down here, and unit digit 6 you just write it here. Okay, this unit digit 6 you just write it here, and now you just solve this. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 9s are 27 plus 3. Here you got 30. So you will get the answer 58. So 8 you write it down here, and 5 is carried out to the next step. So the final step is the first digits you have to multiply 7 into 3. Okay, so 7 into 3, 21 plus carried out number 5 you have to write here, 26. So you just write the 26 here. This is your answer, 2686. So this is how you have to solve the two digit multiplication. So I'll write here clearly, you just note it down. Okay, so first step you have to multiply the unit digits 4 and 8. Okay, 4 8s are 32. Here the unit digit 2 is there, you just write it down 2 here, and next the 3 is carried out for the next step. Okay, so the next step is you just multiply first and last digit and the middle numbers. Okay, so 6 into 8 plus 4 into 2 plus the carried out number 3. Okay, this number. So you just solve it, and next you just multiply the first digits 6 and 2. Okay, 6 into 2 plus the carried out number. So here unit digit 9 you just write down here, and next the carried out number 5, so you just write 5 here. 6 2s are 12 plus 5 17, so you just write down 17 here. 1792, this is your answer. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the 2-digit multiplication. The next is 3-digit multiplication. See, for 3-digit multiplication you take base 100, 150, 200. Okay, so you just take these 3 bases. I will tell you how to do. So here they have given 112 into 142. See here, if you take 112, the base 100, no, so it is greater than 12. Okay, so if you take 142, if you take base 100, it is greater than 42. So now what you will do is you just write 112, 142, and next what you will do here, you just write plus 12 plus 42. Okay, now you just crossly add, not multiply. Okay, you just crossly add these numbers, you will get the same answer. 112 plus 42 or 142 plus 12. So this will give you the same answer. 112 plus 42, 154, and next 142 plus 12 is 154. Okay, so anything is same. You just write this 154 here, and next here you have to base 100, right? So you just multiply with 100. Okay, you just keep 2 zeros here, that is enough. And next step what you should do is you just multiply 12 and 42. Okay, so if you multiply 12 and 42, you will get the answer 504. You just add 504 here. 40159. So this will be your answer, 15904. Okay, so this is very simple. No, this trick is, see here, the numbers they have given is 157, 178. If you take base 100, it will be plus 57, and here if you take base 100, it will be 78. 57 into 78, the multiplication will be very difficult. So for that case, you just take base 150 instead of 100. Okay, so if you take base 150, you will get 150 plus 7. Okay, so here 157, no, 150 plus 7. And next for 78, 150 plus 28. Now the multiplication is easy, no? 7 into 28, you can multiply easily. Let us see this sum. 157 into 178, here you are adding 7 here plus 7 because the base is 150 here. Okay, so for 178 you are adding 28, and next what you should do, you should crossly add the numbers. Okay, 157 plus 28 or 178 plus 7, this will give you the same answer. So for simple calculation, you just add 7 to 178. Okay, so if you add 178 plus 7, you will get the answer 185. So here the base is 150. Okay, previously the base is 100, so you have just written 00 here. Here the base is 150, So what you will do is you just keep two zeros here and you just half this number 18500. You just half. That means you are multiplying 18500 into 1.5. That's it. Okay, into 1.5 you are multiplying. Okay, so instead of doing 1.5, you just add these two zeros and next half this number. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 50, 0 5 2 9. You just add these numbers. 16, 17. Okay, 27750. Okay, so 27750 will come, and next step what you should do, you should multiply 7 into 28. Okay, so for 27750 you should add that 28 into 7. So 28 into 7, 7 8 are 56, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 196. You just add 6, 14, 27946. This will be your answer. Okay, so this is how you can do the 3-digit multiplication of any numbers. Okay, next see here, the numbers are 187 and 196. See, if you take 150 as the base number, you should add 37 here, and if you take 150 as base number here, you should add 46 here. Okay, 187 plus 37, 196 plus 46. If you crossly add these numbers, you will get 233. Okay, so if you add either 187 plus 46 or 196 plus 37, you will get the answer 233. Okay, so you just write the number 233 and you just keep two zeros here, and next what you should do, you should half this sum. Okay, so 23300, you just half it. 1 0 1 0 6 0 5 0 0 0. You just add this number. Okay, 11650, you just add. Fine, fine. So you will get 34950. Okay, and the next step what you should do is you should multiply 37 into 46. See here, stuck here, right? So this multiplication is very big multiplication. So now what you will do is you just stop here. That means you just stop solving in this method. See here, you have to think still more analytically. Here 196 is nearer to 200. Okay, it is nearer to base 200. So you just multiply 187 into 200, and next for 196 you are adding plus 4. No, you just subtract 187 into 4. Okay, so 187 into 4 you take, the answer what you come, you just subtract with this answer, so you will get the correct answer. So you will get the desired answer. See here, 187 2s are 14, 2 8 is 16, 17 3. Okay, so 37400, and next 187 4s are 187 4s are 7 4s 28, and 4 8 is 32, 4 748, 748. Here 6, 13, 9, here 2, so 5 here, and next here 6, 3 6 6. So this will be your answer, 36652. Okay, so this method is easy, right? So first you will multiply 187 with 200 and you will subtract 187 into 4. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the 3-digit multiplications. And next I forgot to say another important point. See here, for the first sum we have taken base 100. Okay, so 112 plus 12, 142 plus 42 we did. So here what we did, we have crossly add these numbers. Okay, so 142 plus 12, we got the answer 154, and we did it for 100, no, so we have simply kept two zeros here. Okay, so we simply kept two zeros here. What if the base is 200? Here the base is 100, we have put two zeros here. So if we take base 200, what we should do? See, if you take base 200, you just simply multiply 2. Okay, so if the base is 200, for suppose the numbers are 212 and 242. Okay, so here the base you should take is 200. 200 plus 12 plus 42, 200 plus 42. Okay, so you will just simply crossly add this. So here 242 plus 12, 25400 into base 200, no, so we will simply multiply with 2. Okay, and if the numbers are 312 and 342, then what you will do? You just simply multiply with 3. Okay, so first you will crossly add these numbers. So if you crossly add these numbers, you will get 354. You just keep two zeros here and multiply with 3. That's it. Okay, so that is only the difference if you're taking 200 base or 300 base or 400 base, whatever it is. Okay, so only this will change. The remaining concept is all same. And if you're taking the base 150, then what you should do? You should take here 1.5. Okay, so instead of 2, you'll write first zeros you'll put here and into 1.5. That means nothing but you just simply half this number and you'll add here. Okay, so 15400, you will half it to 707000, and you will just add this number. Okay, so you will just simply add this number if it is 1.5. Okay, I mean base 150 is there. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the 3-digit multiplications. I hope you all understood these tricks, and if you have any doubts or you didn't understand this concept, you just comment in the comment section. I will try to prepare another video and I will try to explain still more easily. Okay, so please do comment about this video lecture, because I will come to know whether you have understood or not. And this video I will also post it in Telugu language. Okay, so I will take it in a Telugu session also and I will explain. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more competitive exam videos. Thank you all.